Lunch break. Dili mabangga sa ano, dili mabangga sa ha? Anak man ano? Hello, Ed. Welcome to the vlog again.
Hi.
After NSTP, karon may nakita ni Ed back again. Diba, Ed? Sana all.
Sana all.
Sana all, chef. Ganun, nag-5 kain na.
Number 5 ka?
5. Ina.
Oh no, oh no.
Ikaw, are you ready? Perfect. So guys, mag-theater shims me. Easy. 5 among number, guys. Guys, dapat magpili mig number, tapos akong gipili kay sa akin. Buti na 5. Bagay 5 ang sulat, so na-save me. Swerte, number 5. Ang 7. Malas. Never stop scopes. Malas ito, guys. Yes, ma'am. Dito na po.
Sure.
Easy 5.
Fivers.
Swerte me, guys. Kanili may mag-akam. Kaya kami na sa gulat.
Going 30.
Ay, 20. So guys, ganina rami nag-order and so far, atong isa diri kay grabe naka-stress. Nagkaya ito kayo ng serving time. Ambot nga ano. Dapat like ilan yung mapansin. Update. What you think?
2 hours later.
Pagbilan ni Cobs?
79. Everyday routine after class, so guys, that was a day with me and moto kong Monday, Wednesday schedule. And bali, wala kayo major subjects. Isa lang kato lang web systems ganina. And so far, the rest was minor subjects. Then, bali bonus lang karon kay namo ko'y dak. So, we have some kalingawan, good tanawon. Pag wala pa'y klase or bakante na after tamukaon. So, right now, akong ginagamit kaya akong cellphone for vlogging. Since dili na ako madala-dala kong kam kaya ako kay shot. And basig malubat manggod siya if maga-timelapse ko. So, nagadala kong charger ganina. Charge, but may gani kay naglas atong phone for about half a day of sige video and kailangan na to siya i-charge for gamay na jud kayo. That is it guys, and I hope guys you enjoyed this day. Don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. That is all guys, and I hope to see you guys on my next video guys. Bye.